How's it going today, guys? Brandon here with Fishy15.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download, install, and even activate Windows 8 Professional for completely nothing, so for free. I had an extremely tough time today trying to actually do this. I couldn't find the right installation code, the activation method. I couldn't figure out anything, so I basically just ended up putting little bits and pieces of tutorials and videos off YouTube together, and I finally got something that worked. So basically I'm just going to be showing you guys how I did it and what you guys will need and how you guys can do it. So I will have a post on my website Fishy15.com on how to download this and activate it and stuff like that as well. And every link I will say will be in the description of this video, so if you guys need those, check them out there. The first thing you guys are going to need is uTorrent. uTorrent is a client for torrents, if you guys don't know what that is, and you will need this so you can download the activator and the actual Windows 8 Professional. So go to uTorrent.com, hit free download, and that should be good to go. The next thing you guys are going to need is the actual Windows 8 .iso file. This is kind of a large file. It's almost 6 gigabytes. So just hit get this torrent. It will start downloading in uTorrent. That might take a while. It took me quite a while because I don't have that fast of an internet speed. But anyways, the next thing you guys are going to need is the Windows 7 USB/DVD download tool. So basically how we're going to be doing this is we're going to be putting the Windows 8 Professional .iso on a USB flash drive, and we're going to plug it into our computer and start up our computer and boot the computer off the flash drive. So you guys will need a 4 gigabyte flash drive minimum. The files are around like 3.9 gigabytes, so 4 will do just fine. That's what I used. I've got one right here. It's just a SanDisk, nothing special. The next thing you guys are going to need is the Windows 8 activator. Again, I'll have all these links in the description below, so you can get them there. The activator will actually use after we've actually installed Windows 8. So once we've installed Windows 8, we'll run this activator, and it will actually activate Windows 8 right on the spot. You'll just restart your computer, and you should be set to go. So again, I'll have a link for my website right here where you can figure all of this out. It's got all the download links right here as well. And I'll just go ahead and go through this the post for you and explain a little bit more for you guys. So basically we're going to download the Windows 8 .iso file, and it should start downloading with uTorrent, which you guys have downloaded. Next thing you're going to need to do is open the Windows 7 USB DVD tool, which you also downloaded right there. The next thing we're going to need to do is you're going to have a flash drive, a 4 gigabyte one, and you're going to need to make the Windows 8 bootable on that flash drive. Just follow the steps in the tool. It's very simple and it's right to the point there. The next thing you're going to need to do is shut down your computer and make sure USB is plugged in. You're going to boot up your computer. In my laptop that I used and put Windows 8 on, it was kind of confusing. I had to hit escape, and my older computers I had to hit like F12 or something, but I hit escape and then it went to the boot settings, and then I had to go down to bootable drives or something, and then I clicked on my flash drive, hit enter, and then it booted my computer to the flash drive. And then when Windows 8 started installing, it'll ask for an installation code. This is not the activation code. Basically what you need to do is just type this in. You shouldn't have any errors. If you guys do get errors, sometimes Microsoft or whatever, they catch on and they'll disable this code, and then I'll just go ahead and give you guys a new code. So if that stops working, let me know in the comments of this video. So after you typed in the code, hit enter, and your computer will keep going. It'll install Windows 8 and all that good stuff for you guys. One thing I did find out was it sat at the getting ready, or I don't exactly remember what it said, but it sat at one screen for a long time, and I just saw the mouse and I couldn't do anything, so I just let it sit there, and eventually it just went on. So guys, don't shut off your computer or anything like that during the process. The next thing you guys are going to need to do is download the Windows 8 activator, which you should have downloaded right there. What you guys need to do is run this, and then there'll be a drop-down menu with two options. The first one did not work for me. I used the 4delta1.net:1688, and that worked perfectly fine for me. All you have to do is click activate, and then it'll start activating your Windows 8, and then I'm thinking I had to restart my computer or something like that. So basically that is how you get Windows 8 for free. One more thing to notice, this Windows 8 on your computer will only be installed for 180 days, and then the activation code will be deactivated and not work anymore. But don't worry about that. All you have to do is rerun the Windows 8 activator again after the 180 days is up, and it'll do the same thing, and you don't have to worry about anything. So this is just a simple video on showing you guys how you can do it. I would have made a video step by step on how to do it, but I already put Windows 8 on every single computer I have, and I did this free just on this one that I hadn't had Windows 8 on yet. So that's why I didn't make a step-by-step tutorial. And take note, this is just for educational purposes only, guys. I know you guys are only going to want to install Windows 8 illegally for educational purposes anyways. So if this video helps you, be sure to leave it a thumbs up below. Subscribe to my channel. I have a ton of videos. If you guys want any more videos on, say, how to get 2010 Microsoft Office for free or anything, let me know in the comments below. And this is Brandon Fisher signing out with Fishy15. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.